हाय एवरीवन, हेलो हेलो। सॉरी थोड़ा लेट हो गया, वी आर सेटिंग थिंग्स अप ताकि रिकॉर्ड वगैरह हो जाए सो यू कैन सी दिस ऑनलाइन लेटर। तो हाय, काफी क्रेजी टर्नआउट है, लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल। तुम बताओ तो फर्स्ट ईयर से कौन कौन है यहाँ पे? क्रेजी, बहुत सारे लोग हैं। और सेकंड, थर्ड, थर्ड से नहीं है कोई? यार मेरे बैचमेट्स ही नहीं है, बट ठीक है। तो हाय, आई एम ध्रुव, आई एम अ कोऑर्डिनेटर एट डेव क्लब एंड टुडे वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग स्पार्क। स्पार्क इज अ न्यू इनिशिएटिव। तो इसमें से हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वुड से तुम डेवलपमेंट से कंफर्टेबल हो? व्हाट आर वेब डेव, एआई, एनीथिंग लाइक दैट? एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू लर्न? All right, nice, nice. So, if you're completely new to development, this is perfect because zero prerequisites hai. We'll teach everything from scratch. You're a front-end developer, but तुम्हें बाकी सब सीखना है. You want to become a full-stack developer because you don't understand how backend works. Or you're a person who has just done machine learning all their life, but अभी तुम realize कर रहे हो कि I want to deploy my machine learning models. I want to put them on a website. So basically, if you want to become a more well-rounded engineer, this can help you with that. And third one is, you're not sure if you want to go into development, but you kind of want to grab an overview so that even if you go into another technical role, जो development related नहीं है, you'll understand what back-end engineering is, what front-end engineering is. तुम team से बात कर सकते हो, तुम लोग से बात कर सकते हो. So these are the three kinds of people that we are targeting. And of course, everybody is welcome. So the plan is, Wednesdays, Saturdays, Sundays में sessions होंगे 3 times a week. This one will be slightly longer. Mostly sessions will be 45 minutes to 1 hour. And we'll put recordings of all the sessions on YouTube. We'll put all the slides as well. So if you miss anything, then तुम follow along कर सकते हो. But otherwise, the best possible thing is for you to come here, sit in the LHC and like laptops लेके आओ and try and code along because that would be the best. And you don't need to do any work outside of that. Right? So yeah, you can watch later on YouTube and along with each session, बहुत छोटे mini projects होंगे. By mini projects, I really mean mini. So like 15 to 30 minutes max. And if you feel like कि session के बाद I don't really have a full understanding, मुझे करने से सीखना है, then what you can do is you can just go to those mini projects that we've created for you. You can do them and through doing you will understand क्या क्या करना है. So I'm going to show you the plan. Today is basically intro session, जो मैं intro कर रहा हूँ अभी, as well as to use AI tools to develop very fast, which is very important क्योंकि lots of people, they know the theory behind how to develop, but then when they go to develop, they're either very slow या फिर they get stuck. And पिछले 6 महीने से AI tools have come up which are very, very good at helping you to code. तो उसको कैसे optimize करें, how to make the best of that, I'll teach you here. And that is indispensable because if you want to win a hackathon or if you want to build a project very quickly, there is nothing like it. And I'll teach you version control also, which is fancy way of saying Git. So we'll teach you Git because that is very important for collaborating with other people. Like team of 2 or above में जब भी तुम्हें बनाना, you will have to use it. उसके बाद we'll take few sessions on back-end engineering, front-end engineering. Once you do back-end and front-end, you can actually build a website. तो वहां पे है first code along. We'll sit in the LHC and we'll build some kind of website together. And उससे whatever you've learned so far, it will get wrapped up and you'll understand how to apply it. Then बीच में minor है sad phase. उसके बाद databases के बाद you can build an even bigger app. So we'll build something like a social media app together. Every kind of social media that you guys want to build, बैठ के बनाएंगे. With just those 3 sessions, you can build something like that. After that, we'll go into machine learning. So for those of you who are interested, this will be very, very interesting. Machine learning के बाद we'll go into AI systems. So तुम्हें अगर खुद का chatbot बनाना है, which is very hot nowadays because you can sell it to companies and make a lot of money. तुम्हें खुद का chatbot बनाना है, तुम्हें खुद का coding tool बनाना है, you want to create an image generator, you want to create a blog जिसमें सारे articles automatically write हो जाए, whatever. You will need to learn AI systems. So we'll be taking session on that. And that is third code along with where we'll actually build an AI tool ourselves. And उसमें we will ask you guys कि तुम्हें कौन सी type का AI tool चाहिए. Poll में whichever one wins, we'll build it. उसके बाद we'll do cyber security and hacking. वहाँ पे ethical लिखा है, so please earcats hack मत करना. And अगर hack कर रहे हो मुझे भी access दे दो. DevOps एंड क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, किसी को पता है DevOps क्या होता है? अगर आंसर करोगे चॉकलेट मिलेगा, तो बताओ. परफेक्ट परफेक्ट, दैट्स एग्जैक्टली इट. चॉकलेट दे दो प्लीज. बैग में. तो DevOps is basically, चलो, DevOps is something which I have seen in most developers. DevClub में भी I think only 2 or 3 developers who know DevOps, which is crazy क्योंकि फ्रंट एंड थोड़ी बहुत सबको आती है, बैक एंड थोड़ी बहुत सबको आती है. Why not DevOps? It's very overlooked, but it's very important क्योंकि in a company context, in a business context, तुमने कोड कर दिया, तुम्हारे लैपटॉप पे चल रहा है, perfect. How do you actually serve it to people? It's a very open question. It's a very difficult question. DevOps is the answer to that, and बहुत interesting field है, but which most people neglect for some reason. So we'll be teaching DevOps and cloud. जिसमें the projects that you've built before, you'll be able to deploy it, and you'll be able to give a URL to your friends saying, ये देखो मैंने बनाया. And last में case studies, which is just random stuff, like WhatsApp कैसे काम करता है, like how does the architecture work, जो engineers ने बैठ के WhatsApp बनाया है, how would they have thought of it. We'll look at some real apps and finally see कि कैसे सोच सकते हो, and that's kind of the end of it. So by the end you'll learn machine learning at a good enough level कि तुम कुछ models बना सकते हो. You learn AI, you learn how to make a good UI, you learn how to make a stable backend, you learn how to deploy it all to a server, and उसके through you can make basically any project you want, and you can, if you practice enough, you'll be able to win any hackathon you want, which is crazy. So first product along में you will be able to build something like this. Wordle कितने लोग ने खेला? Pretty sure Wordle तो सबने खेला होगा. Yes, Wordle is basically New York Times का एक game which is very popular. In just the first 2 sections, front end, back end के बाद, you will be able to build this very easily. Second, as I said, social media website. Third वाले में you will be able to build a full AI enabled tool, and this is where you start getting into the territory कि तुम ये बना के companies को बेच सकते हो या फिर तुम internship कर सकते हो just off the back of this. Final code along में we'll hopefully show you एक hackathon का winning project which actually won, and we'll sit and code it together to show you कि it's not that hard, तुम भी कर सकते हो, and you can win any hackathon you want. So first section is build fast using AI tools, which is very important because like it or not, AI is here to stay. अभी ChatGPT, I'm pretty sure सबने use किया है to code, but there are much better coding tools as well. And you won't be able to compete with developers who are using those tools because they are just so much faster. So how do you make the best of it, and how do you use AI tools as much as you can? So बात बताओ, tell me what AI tools you guys use in your workflow. Again, chocolate मिलेगा जो आंसर करेगा उसे. तो कौन सा? Copilot, great. Who else? ChatGPT, Perplexity, nice. चॉकलेट्स देना पड़ेगा आपको. Right. Perplexity is a nice one. उसके अलावा और कौन? You are saying something पीछे. Okay, nice. Gemini, ठीक है. These are all decent tools, but AI is very tricky because अलग-अलग tools are made at very, very different things. तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए what to use where. So, for example, Copilot is good at auto completions, but इससे भी better एक चीज है, which I'll show you. There's also Perplexity. That Perplexity is only really good at search. वो इतने अच्छे से कोड नहीं करता. There is Claude, which I'm surprised किसी ने बताया नहीं. अच्छा, Claude बताया था ना? हाँ, इनको भी जरूर चॉकलेट. So, Claude is actually better than ChatGPT at writing and at making plans. तो तुम्हें अगर ऐसे completely new thing बनानी and you want to plan it out, then and you want to make a document for it, जो तुम share कर सकते हो team के साथ, Claude is actually much better than that than ChatGPT. मतलब try कर लो, I would say. So yeah, it's important to know what tool to use where, कब use करना चाहिए. So let's start with the first one, which is one of my favorites, Cursor. How many of you have used Cursor? एक ने यूज किया, 2, 3, 4 और 4 लोग ने यूज किया. This is interesting because this is the best AI coding tool out there, period. That's it. Well, right now there are LLMs which are a bit better, but Cursor क्या है? It's a fork of VS Code. That means it's just a variant of VS Code जिसमें AI is integrated. तो दैट मीन्स कि जब तुम चैट कर रहे हो एआई के साथ, इट कैन सी योर एंटायर कोड बेस, इट कैन सजेस्ट थिंग्स, मेरी चीजें मॉडिफाई कर सकता है. सो दिस मेक्स बिल्डिंग थिंग्स वेरी वेरी फास्ट. या एंड इफ यू आर अ डेव क्लब मेंबर, तुम्हें कर्सर प्रो मिलता है. तो फर्स्ट ईयर में जो जो सोच रहे हो कौन से क्लब ज्वाइन करना है, ये देख लो एक बार, ठीक है. एंड देन second is Windsurf. Windsurf is similar to Cursor, but Windsurf is a little bit better at planning. I'll show you both of these later. But basically, these two are IDs जो तुम use कर सकते हैं, and I use both. Third one is, as you said, Copilot. They share PDF of this, so you can click this link. But basically, yeah, Copilot is free for all IITD students. अगर तुमने जाके register नहीं किया, then you should register with your mail ID, because this costs $20-30 a month, like 1,500 rupees a month or something like that, and you get it completely for free. So you should use this. And last is V0. किसी ने V0 use किया है? दो लोग. V0 is amazing, right? This is the one which blows my mind the most. अच्छा बताओ, V0 किसके लिए होता है? Front end के लिए. So all your AI tools, backend code, Python code, scripts, they can write easily. They know how to do that. Any of the ones I mentioned, even ChatGPT can write that. But if you want to make a sexy looking UI, AI will दिखता नहीं है web page. So usually it will be a bit misaligned. It won't look that good. You'll have to go back and forth. V0 में you literally drop in a design, या you drop in an image and say मुझे exact clone बना के दो इसका, and it will make it every time. So it is insanely good for front end development specifically. Alright. And Reddit to है, I'll give you the link to a subreddit also, but Reddit पे basically you can get daily updates. Like if there's a new AI tool, because these things move very fast. Cursor 3 महीने पहले रिलीज हुआ है, Windsurf 2 महीने पहले रिलीज हुआ है. तो if you want to keep up with this, then Reddit पे बहुत सारे subreddits है dedicated to AI, which you can follow and which you should follow. And you will get to know exactly. Like आज ही सुबह 9 घंटे पहले एक पोस्ट हुआ था where someone tried using DeepSeek with VS Code. DeepSeek के बारे में सुना होगा लोगों ने. It's easy new AI model, बहुत तो नहीं है open level से, but much cheaper. And 9 hours ago, someone put a tutorial on exactly how you can use it in code. So if you want to keep up with like the latest developments, then that is the coolest backstory. मतलब दोनों बैठे थे, GPUs थे, तो हमने बना दिया NVMe to OpenAI. That is crazy, right? ठीक है. तो next up is version control. So how many of you have worked in a team कुछ भी कोड करने के लिए, even academic assignments के लिए, वो भी चलेगा? कितने लोग ने कर रखा है? Okay, 6-7 लोग हैं बस. Alright. So if those of you who have done it, तुम्हें पता है twin क्या होता है? कोड शेयर करने का, and more than that, जब दो लोग कोड changes करते हैं, how do you merge them? It's a pain, right? हाँ, तो that's exactly what I'm teaching. So basically, there is this thing called Git, which is a version control system. इसमें क्या होता है कि there's a central repository, which is where your code lives, and you and your partners जो भी है can all push and pull to it. ऐसे you can add code, you can remove code, and it automatically figures out कि कैसे merge होना चाहिए. And if it cannot automatically figure out, then it will ask you कि कैसे merge होना चाहिए, and एक अच्छा सा UI होता है. So it simplifies this much better, because now all you have to do is 5 लोग की टीम है, just give everyone a task, everyone will do it on their own time, and Git will manage कि exactly code recompile कैसे कर. So it's super good and absolutely essential to learn अगर तुम्हें टीम में करना है, especially hackathons and stuff, right? So I already explained why version control. यहाँ पे you can see 3 different people are pushing 2 different features. This would not be possible अगर तुम बस खुद से code share कर रहे हो. You need some kind of thing to merge them together at the end. So that is what version control does. Alright. So here is a question. Here is kind of a thing. You know कि तुम्हारे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स में जो प्रॉब्लम आते हैं, you can get around it, right? साथ में बैठ जाएंगे लैपटॉप में, will transfer files to each other and हो जाएगा. But as soon as your project becomes larger than 3 or 4 files, it becomes impossible to manage. And real life projects are much bigger than that. So I'll show you an example. Linux use करते तुम लोग? Most of you I think are on Windows, right? or Mac. Linux is insane, try karo, but basically Linux is the operating system that runs every server, runs the entire world. Very, very popular. Linux का जो kernel है, which is just the very core part of the operating system, बहुत छोटा part है, is 20.3 million lines of code. And every single hour, 8 लोग on average update करते हैं उसको, which is 8 different छोटे छोटे features add होते हैं उसमें. Can you imagine the scale at which this can go out of control? Like how difficult it would be to do this. But version control makes it so easy. It makes it so easy that you or I can go to GitHub, you can go to any Git repo, even body library, TensorFlow or PyTorch की तरह body library, and you can contribute to it and you can add features and you don't have to kind of think about the whole code base. It's actually really cool. So you can see how valuable this can get. And trust me, every company, every tech company, every team that you want to work with will want you to know this because it's absolutely essential. Right. So GitHub is the platform जो सब लोग use करते हैं Git के लिए. Right. These are just some terms जो मैंने डाले slides में for you to read. I'm not going to explain them here because you guys will get very bored. ठीक है. But it's very, very simple only. So that's it for kind of the slides. And now I'll show you everything that I talked about, starting with the AI tools. Okay. So I'll go to my laptop. Okay. Right. So first thing I'll show you is cursor. Cursor is really, really cool. So the cursor खोल रहा हूँ अभी and I'll start a new project. I'll just open a folder. I'm pretty sure सब लोग ने VS Code use कर लिया है यहाँ पे, right? If not, I mean, it's super easy. You can download and use it without a tutorial. So I'm assuming कि you guys have used it. This is literally exactly the same. They just integrated AI into it. So I'll make a new folder. I'll go into it. Right. And I'll just make a Python file. All right. Give me a problem, any problem. छोटा सा एक स्क्रिप्ट बनाता है कोई भी चीज को सॉल्व करने के लिए. Any kind of problem that you guys are facing right now, जिसके लिए तुम्हें कुछ automate करना है. If not, then I'll just do something on my own. Oh, वो बहुत hard है. Can be done though, but थोड़ा hard. So basically, what I'll do is you learn more about APIs backend engineering में, but APIs allow you to access data on the web. So I'll just tell it I'm actually out of ideas, so I'll tell it to generate some ideas as well. I'll say कि use some public APIs, fetch and print some interesting info. Bas, that's all I'm telling it. Okay, cool. So यहाँ पे I can press apply. I don't know if you can see it, but मैं hover कर रहा हूँ उस पे. As soon as I do that, it has added all the code in. And you can see कि it has basically made an entire script जो एक API को जाके hit कर रहा है and then response का text parse कर रहा है and then it's showing you some interesting information. This is very, very cool because let's say you are in a big project and तुम्हें बस एक छोटा component बनाना है which is basically like it's an API, gets some information and returns it. एक function बनाना है. This can do it instantly. You don't have to do any of the grunt work. And honestly, once you've planned out your project well enough and तुमने सारी files बना दिया, it is literally mostly grunt work. If you have stated कि तुम्हें क्या क्या functions बनाना है and you know already what they are, AI can do most of the work for you. उसके बाद all you have to do is debugging. So debugging is actually more important than programming nowadays, which is crazy, but that's the way it is. So Control Shift K. All right. नहीं मेरे पास नहीं है वो. I'll just say it यहाँ पे. Make a basic snake game. This is a nice. This is a nice problem actually. All right. So if I press apply again and I save it, and then I'll just run the Py file. I don't have Pygame installed, तो मैं install कर रहा हूँ. Again, in backend engineering, you'll basically learn the basics of Python and how to do this. Right now I'm just demonstrating, so I'll show it to you. So basically what I'm doing right now is installing Pygame. I know कि Python में थोड़ा सा tedious होता है. It shouldn't be this hard, but it is. So it's fine. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, there's now a bug, right? First time पे इसका code चला नहीं. That's fine. What you can do is, यहाँ पे there's an add to chat button. Do you see that? So when that happens, you can click that and you can just press enter and it will debug it for you also. So even debugging AI enabled हो गया. So this is why Cursor is good because I think what most of you will do is chat GPT में डालोगे ये same prompt and if an error comes, you'll copy and paste it into chat GPT. This just makes it much, much faster. So yeah, that's kind of a demonstration of Cursor. We really love it. Dev Club में सब लोग use करते हैं because there's nothing like it. The next thing is Windsurf. Windsurf, I won't go into it in too much detail, but basically same चीज है. Within the same project over here. And right side में you can see Chatworks Cascade. So the cool thing about Windsurf is कि वो files and folders and all that stuff बना सकता है and it can run commands on your behalf. So this is really good for planning. तुम्हारे पास एक खाली folder है and you just say, make me a file structure through which मैं ये game बना सकता हूँ. And it will just create all the folders, all the files for you. It will run the commands जिससे setup हो जाएगा पूरा. So when you initially set up a project, Windsurf is very, very useful. One of my personal favorites as well. The next AI tool that I wanted to show is v0.dev. Copilot I won't show because basically it's an extension in VS Code. तुम बस जाके activate कर दो and you can use it right away. It just auto completes your code when you're writing it. This is v0. तो एक कोई भी front end problem बताओ मुझे, कोई भी एक website which you like. Amazon, ठीक है. So I'll search for Amazon homepage screenshot, right? ये रहा. So I have Dev Club homepage. अरे हाँ. This is the Dev Club homepage by the way guys, devclub.in. ये बना लेते हैं. इससे बनाया by the way, clap कर लो. Okay, I'll just take a screenshot of this. Once I've done that, I'll go to v0, I'll attach it. And once that's done, I'll just say replicate this exactly using any libraries. Just give it something like that. So v0 is a little bit slow. It'll take not too long, वैसे 1 minute. But basically what it will do is it can actually look at images, it can actually look at designs. And as you can see, ये अभी कोड कर रहा है, and it will create all the multiple files. HTML भी बना देगा, CSS भी बना देगा, it will write React if it needs it. And at the very end, it will also show you a preview of the web page. And the AI bot can actually see that preview of the web page. So you can say कि इस button का color गलत है, थोड़ा बदल दो, and it can do it. So that's why V0 is insanely good for front-end development. It's still generating right now. Yes. So it's basically just creating an entire repo on its own. And अब उसने बना दिया तो फिर it will render it and show you a preview. And now, यहाँ पे again, if you find a bug, नीचे there's a fix with V0 button, the red one. You can click it, press enter, and it will the same thing. It will fix errors as well under ही. So you can put your own code here, right side में. You can render it on the web page itself. If your code has an error, then it will fix it. So I think अब हो गया. Yes, हो गया. So as you can see, it has replicated this web page completely. It took me 1 minute. So it's crazy how efficient your front-end dev can be, SSR. So this basically the objective is just keep in mind all the different tools that we've showed you, because when you learn all the other tracks, you will be using these throughout. And last thing that I want to demonstrate is Git. कितने लोग ने Git use कर रखा है? Most of you have used it, so I'll keep it short. Git can get extremely complex. It has dozens of commands, and each command has lots of variants. And तुम्हारा जो repo है, it can have maybe 100 different people working on it at once. It can have 50, 60 different people working on it at once. So Git can get extremely complex. I'll just show you the basics so that तुम और तुम्हारे दोस्त लोग बैठ के hackathon कर सकते हो, and it's really all you need most of the time. So first thing you'll do is go to github.com. If you don't have an account, make an account. It's pretty simple. Left side में there's a green colored new button. I'll click that. And I'll give the repository a name. I'll just say devclub WS. And you can make it public or private. Public just means मैं तुम्हारे profile पे जाऊंगा तो anybody can see it. Private means that you have to give people permission to see it, otherwise they can't see it. I'll create this repository. Once you've created this repository, तुम बस जाओ cursor या VS Code या फिर Windsurf, whatever your preferred IDE is. All of these IDEs inbuilt have Git features enabled. So as long as you are logged into Git, you'll be able to take that repository and pull it down. So यहाँ पे now I'm in cursor. बीच में there's a button called clone repo. I'll click that. Clone from GitHub. It will ask you to sign in. So all you have to do is copy a code, go to your account, paste it. The ID will walk you through this whole process, so that's why I'm rushing through it, because it's pretty simple. Once that is done, यहाँ पे you will basically see a list of all of your repos. अभी fetch हो रहा है, but basically you'll see a list of all of your repos and you can clone any one of them. So top पे, this is the one I just created. I'll click it. It'll ask you कौन से folder में करना है, so I'll just create a new folder, clone it there, open it. And once you open it, you can basically make modifications, right? And if your friend is coding along with you, then they will do this exact same process. You create a repo, you send them the link. Once they have the link, they'll go into cursor and they'll clone the repo there as well. So once that is done, I'll just write something. I'll write hi. And left side में there is the source control tab. यहाँ पे you can do commit and push. Commit and push basically means that you are uploading it to GitHub. So commit and push, it will ask you for a message. I'll just write hi. And I'll click the tick button. And as soon as it is pushed, I'll need to put my password in. After I put my password in, as soon as it is pushed, I'll go back to this repository. I'll refresh it. And my changes are over here. It says hi. Right. And इसमें basically the good thing about this is now you have a copy on your laptop. Your friend has a copy on their laptop. We both can keep writing code and pushing independently, and you can keep doing that. And it will just synchronize everything and take care of everything for you. So that's the best part about it. This is why we love Git. We use Git for everything. In fact, I'll go to my homepage and I'll show you my show you that Dev Club page. We have 94 repositories. Every internal website on IITD, Study Hub, Citadel, IITD app, NSS app, whatever, they're all on here. Please don't steal my account. So they're all on here, right? So Dev Club builds everything in teams, and we use it for everything because there is no other way to build with people, right? So that is why we use it. So that is good enough, but Git can get very deep. So इसलिए we put some resources at the end so that you can learn Git at your own pace, because you can really get very advanced with it. You can spend a few days just learning it. You don't need to do that. Okay, so here is a very complex Git workflow as an example. This is an actual real app. It's some network app. I forgot the names. So yeah. सब लोग WhatsApp group में है. If you're not in the WhatsApp group, you can scan this QR and join. Basically, whatever assignments you'll be doing will be on there. All the recordings, all the slides will be on there. And if you ever have any doubts while doing the assignments in between the boot camps, then you can ask those doubts in the group. If you find something cool, then put it on the group. That way, this will become a community of, I think there's 550 people or something now. It will become a pretty big community of just developers sharing resources, right? And this will make your journey as well as everyone else's journey much easier. So, has everyone scanned? Some people are still scanning. Hello. Okay, cool. Yeah. So here is your mini project for today. Today will be very light because mostly it was an introduction to the bootcamp. But basically, you and a friend of yours in pairs. If you have a friend to code with, badhiya. If you don't, then make a friend over here and kar do. Make a Git repo, and both of you pull and push code. So both of you push some code in 2 different files, see how it merges it. And what I wanted to experiment with is same function को दो लोग साथ में change करो in the same place in the same file and upload it and see what happens. See how it resolves it, right? Create a branch in PR. That one is optional. If you guys want to get deeper into Git, then I have resources over there on what pull requests are. That's what a PR is. It's a pull request. What a pull request is, why it's important, how you can create one. It's very simple. It just takes a few clicks. So if you guys want to get deeper into Git, that's how you can do it. Second thing is, I've showed you Cursor and Windsurf, and you guys already know a few AI tools, but there are lots of very specific AI tools. Like, there was one I saw जहाँ पे all it does is documentation. मतलब we have written code. All it does is वो AI से it will read the code and it will just write comments saying this function does this, function does this. There is another one which is just for types. Python में there are no data types, so all it does is it goes and adds types. There are lots of very cool dev tools which are a very specific kind of thing. So find the coolest dev tools that you can which are AI related and put them on the group, share them on the group so that everyone else can see it, right? So that's it. The very final slide is this. We'll share the PDF so you can follow these links. First 3 are Git के बारे में further reading. Last 2, Product Hunt is one of my favorite websites of all time. So have you guys been on Product Hunt kabhi bhi? All it does is it's a list of the coolest products that have released right now. That's it. And log, every week it refreshes. Every week people vote on their favorite products. Right now, the number 1 product on there is OpenAI Operator, which is OpenAI's newest thing where it can browse your computer for you, AI use करके. So, Product Hunt, if you check it periodically, you will be the first to discover all kinds of cool AI tools. Like, Cursor is pretty popular, but people discovered Cursor a month before it was popular, just Product Hunt. It was number 1 on Product Hunt before it became popular. So this is a really, really cool website, especially those of you who are into building your own products. Agar tumhe dekhna hai what a successful product looks like, Product Hunt is an amazing, amazing resource. Really cool website. Second one is a subreddit called ChatGPT Coding, which is basically all about that. It's about coding using AI. And that is the subreddit I was talking about, जहाँ पे आज सुबह ही someone used DeepSeek and wrote a tutorial. So if you want coding AI tools, all you can do is subscribe to that subreddit and रोज सुबह जाके देख लो. I'm pretty sure सब लोग Instagram पे brain rot करते होंगे. I think Reddit is a bit better. So, Twitter. So that's it. Thank you very much for coming, everybody. Really fun seeing you all. So, next session will be Wednesday, and we'll be starting with the backend engineering, and it will be more hands-on than this. So we'll have fewer slides, more code. Please bring your laptop so that you can code along. And before you come, install these AI tools, install Git, get used to it because we'll be using it in the coming workshops. You'll find the recording and the PDF on the group later. Thank you, everybody.